Get excited about the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the six-speed automatic transmission. Hyundai paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and more. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.